Hi, how are you? So today we will be doing our very own BTS shirt. So let's get started, shall we? So to make my shirt, I used black acrylic paint. I feel that black acrylic paint would work better on any type of shirt because, well, of course, not a black shirt, but on any other color because of the strong pigment, and I feel like it would last longer. But it's totally up to you. You could use any color you want. And for my shirt, I actually got it at Walmart for like $3. You can get any color you want. But if you also happen to have an old, boring shirt in your closet, then feel free to use that as well. And finally, for the design, I actually made my own stencil. I made this design as you see right here. And if you want to use it, go ahead. I left the link down below in the description box so you can print it out and cut it. And yeah, your girl upgraded last time. She had to copy her computer screen. Well, not this time. Not today, guys. Because today, I actually printed it. Well, I already started cutting out like what I'm going to paint. And I also put tape on it because paper is really like weak and like it's hard. So I decided to put tape to make it stronger. So when I cut it, it wouldn't cut other sides I didn't want it to. Yeah. And you will also need some sort of cardboard to put your shirt on it, so like when you start painting it doesn't bleed through the back, you know. Alright, I'm just gonna go and I'm going to use a sponge and I'm just going to dab my black paint on, and well, yeah, I'll be right back once I'm done. And this, my friends, is the final result. And to seal the paint so it can last longer on my shirt, I ironed it. For the back of my shirt, I did the exact same process. So this was my final result, guys, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kidsley. Also, sorry if this video was like a total mess. I'm literally doing the voiceover like at 2 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, as you could tell, you can hear my voice like all rusty and crusty, and yeah. But I still hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.